let you know that we at the homeowner's house. Okay, we're gonna replace this shingle right here. Alright, I'm gonna barely lift the shingle to get to the nail. Alright. Barely lifting the shingle to get to the nail. But these shingles are brittle because they are builder grade cheap shingles. Alright, so before I remove the shingle, take a picture. Alright, so now remove the shingle. Flip this back. You can hear the grains falling off the roof, man. I'm gonna use the snake jack. Barely lift it. By the vibration of the hammer, you can hear them grains falling off. Alright, so as you can see, look at that crease right there, crease right here, look. I'll take a picture. There's widespread wind damage on all slopes. Attempted to make a repair. It showed because of the builder grade shingles that they use is brittle and not repairable, and should be an easy one for a full roof replacement. Thank you.